Parties are gonna be so much fun now, and Netflix is taking care of entertaining your guests. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Netflix has added a heavy hitter in party activities to its gaming lineup. The streamer has recently announced that Jackbox Party Essentials is joining the Netflix Party Games collection. Thanks to this, we're getting 3 of the popular Jackbox group games, which are free for all the Netflix subscribers. The games include Fibbage 4, Quiplash 3, and Drawful 2. The best part? All 3 of these games can be played with up to 8 people, so none of your friends sit out. Netflix has been very focused on its interactive strategy to highlight family-friendly and party games. The company's even offered tie-ins to its original content, so you find a connection with your favorite show with every game you play. Let's take Overcooked, for instance. If you play the game through Netflix, the app will let you use a member of Hunter X from K-pop Demon Hunters as your in-game avatar. Netflix has also put out its game controller software, which turns any mobile device into a gamepad for its game library, and it's even become the top downloaded iOS app around the Easter holiday weekend. If the stats are going up this much, it means that many families were actually at least thinking of trying out Netflix's games as part of their festivities. So, when are these games going to be played in your living room? Let us know in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.